If ChatGPT feels too slow, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to speed it up and get back to working smoothly. Whether the issue is your browser, your chat history, an extension conflict, or even a temporary server slowdown, these simple fixes can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Let's start with the most common reason ChatGPT feels sluggish: your browser or app session. Over time, the browser can build up cached data, and your page can get overloaded with too much content to render. A quick first step is to do a hard refresh. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the page to reload fresh and clears out local session cache that may be slowing things down. If ChatGPT is still slow after that, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, grammar checkers, privacy tools, or other add-ons can interfere with how ChatGPT loads and responds. Look at your browser toolbar and click the extensions icon, which usually looks like a puzzle piece. Then temporarily turn off any extensions that might be causing conflicts. After disabling them, reload ChatGPT and test it again. In many cases, this alone can noticeably improve performance. Now let's talk about something that a lot of people don't realize. Your chat history can actually slow things down too. The longer a conversation gets, the more context ChatGPT has to process every time you send a message. That means large threads can feel heavier and slower over time. If you've been working in one conversation for a while, try starting a brand new chat. In the left sidebar, click the New Chat button, usually shown with a pencil icon or plus style icon, and begin your prompt in a fresh thread. This is often the fastest way to reset performance and remove the drag from a very long conversation. Another important step is checking whether the slowdown is actually coming from ChatGPT itself. Sometimes the issue isn't your device at all, it's a wider service problem. To do this, open the OpenAI status page and look for any outages or degraded performance notices. If the service is under heavy load, responses may be slower than normal for everyone. In that case, the best solution may simply be to wait and try again later. If you want the smoothest experience, it also helps to keep your browser updated, close unnecessary tabs, and avoid having too many heavy websites open at once. A clean browser session with fewer extensions and a fresh chat usually gives the best speed improvement. If you're on the mobile app and it feels slow there too, the same general idea applies. Update the app, restart it, and open a new conversation when needed. So to recap, if ChatGPT is too slow, first hard refresh your browser, then disable conflicting extensions, then start a new chat to reduce thread size, and finally check the server status to see whether the delay is coming from OpenAI. These steps are simple, free, and safe, and they solve the problem for most users. If this video helped you fix ChatGPT too slow, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who might be dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.